Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the ASA unit is rated for a tether length change and understanding its load rating. This avoids overload. Once you have Allen keys, locking pliers, a tape measure, and a marker, position the system so it cannot move, secure it to a fixed point. Now loosen the locking fastener 1/4 to half a turn, expose the adjuster, and measure current tether length. Then mark the desired anchor point so you can make a precise, repeatable change. Now perform the measured adjustment. Loosen the main adjuster enough to move the tether, but not so much it slips free. Slide the tether to your marked position and measure to within 0.5 inches. Make incremental shifts because small errors amplify under load. Once close, engage the primary clamp, then torque the secondary locking screw to specified torque. Make sure the line runs straight through the carriage so the load is centered, and trim any excess before final locking to prevent chafing. To finish, torque every fastener to the manufacturer's specification and apply thread locker where recommended. This prevents loosening from vibration. Once secured, perform a static load test at about 10 to 20% above expected operating load and watch for slippage or deformation. If you see movement, reseat the tether at the mark, re-inspect clamps and the tether for wear, and replace any compromised hardware. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.